guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samide and today I have a new video for you. So before we start, I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, but I'm back. And guys, look at this, look at my hair. I know this side is better. Is it only me, like when you are doing your hair you have like a side that it's well done but the other side is like whatever, like tired? I don't want to do it anymore, like type of vibe. But yeah, so my hair and I'm loving it. Okay, enough. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for the new subscribers. Yeah, I have new subscribers, even though I haven't been posting, but I have new subscribers, so thank you guys, thank you. Let's get into the video. I received like something from a small business. It's a black owned business, it's a small business, they just started their business. I'm always happy to support black business, black women and small business, so I'm going to show you what I received from them. And before we start, let me tell you the company's name. The name is Classy Boutique. It's a like clothing shop, I can say. And their Instagram handle is classy.boutique with double I and double E. And their website is Classy Boutique. I will leave everything for you guys down below in the comments, in the description box, so you can check it out. This is their Instagram, and the website is there too. So if you go to their Instagram, you can click on the website link, and then it will just take you to the website, and you can see all the items, all the pieces that they have on the website, so you can purchase, you can do your mini shopping. Let me show you guys what I received from them. See, like cute pink and gold package, and it says okay, and it says thank you. Yeah, it says thank you. Let's open it together. And I choose the item that I got. Oh, and they sent me candy. Thank you guys, thank you for the candy. This is what I got. It's only one item. It's a shirt. Ooh, it's so soft. The material is like really good. It's long sleeve, brown shirt, turtleneck. Will look good on me. So this is what it looked like. Very long sleeve, and I got it on size small. It's a size small. So yeah, this is what I received from them. Let's see how it looks on. So guys, this is the shirt on me. It's really nice. I like the color. Very long sleeve too, in the neck. It's like, it's very nice. It feels good. do you guys think? So for those of you who like your shirt to be inside, so would be perfectly fine. It's not cropped, it's like really nice length, so you can go inside your pants or you can leave it out. Me personally, I like both, so it doesn't matter for me. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and check them out, guys. Let's go on their website and see what else they have. Like I said, their name is Classy Boutique. So they have a lot, guys, so you guys can go there and pick the items that you like, and they're not expensive. Look at this set and the price. This is the shirt that I have on now. Very nice. Look at this set, guys. And it's only $25. It's not expensive. Dress. So yeah, they have like so many pieces you can choose from, so check them out. I will leave all their information down below in the description box, and you can check them out. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the shirt. And I love the color, guys. The color is really nice on me. So yeah, guys, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. And if you have any videos idea, guys, just let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.